In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix site multilingual, ensuring you can reach a broader audience by adding secondary languages. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll want to add the Wix multilingual app to your site. You can do this through the app market or directly from your site's dashboard or editor, giving you the crucial tool needed to manage multiple languages. Now let's set up your primary language and add the secondary languages you'd like to translate your site into. The primary language will be the one your site is currently in, while the secondary languages are those you'll offer translations for. This setting is vital to ensure your audience gets the best user experience in their preferred language. Next, head over to the Translation Manager. You can access this from your site's dashboard. If you've opted for more than 2 languages, you'll see a language drop-down menu on the top left of the screen, which allows you to select the language you want to work on at that moment. Now it's time to auto-translate your site. At the top of the Translation Manager, you'll see an option to generate translations. Click on this and select Auto Translate Site. A pop-up window will appear, and you need to confirm this action to proceed. Remember, any text you have manually translated before using this feature won't be altered, ensuring that your careful handiwork remains intact. Once the auto translation is finished, it's important to review and edit the translations. Carefully go through each page of your site to ensure the automatically generated translations accurately convey your original message. If you find anything that needs improvement, simply click on that text field and manually edit it. Alternatively, you can click Auto Translate on individual elements to get a new suggestion. After editing, click Done to save your changes for each field. This step is crucial for maintaining what you want your audience to understand. After reviewing everything, you'll need to make the new language visible. Back in the Translation Manager, select Manage Languages from the Language dropdown. Find the language you've just translated and change its status from Hidden to Visible. This action ensures that your visitors will have the option to switch languages when they explore your site. Finally, you're ready to publish your changes. Click the Publish button located in the top right corner of the editor to make the translated version live for your visitors. For a more seamless user experience, you can also activate the Language Auto Switch feature, which detects the visitor's browser language and automatically displays the site accordingly. And there you have it, a fully multilingual Wix site ready to welcome a global audience.